In this Office 365 tip, I'd love to show you the new researcher in Microsoft Word. And I'm saying new because it actually got launched in the middle of 2016 already. But you might not have seen it or know how amazing it is. So for any of us who writes a lot of articles and does a lot of research, this is one crazy amazing tool. Now in Word, if you go to the References tab at the top, you'll see that there's a button called Researcher. Of course, you need to be online. So when I select Researcher, it then brings up my Researcher toolbox on the right-hand side. Now, this is where I can start searching for topics that I'm interested in. So even before I start writing the article, I'm going to go and look at what is on the web and what is there that I can use. The nice thing is, as I do research, I can remember, wait a minute, I'd like to talk about this topic, and this is one of my indexes that I want to add as well. So you'll see that on the right-hand side, as I start searching, you'll see a little plus sign there. And this allows me to add that specific article or that specific topic as an index in my document. So I'm going to say I want to remember to talk about digital literacy, definitely about web literacy as well. So let's see what other topics there are that I can use. Information literacy, computer literacy, definitely. Now, once I've picked those, and just to remind you, because these are going to be part of my index, if I now add a table of contents at the top, it'll actually add those different sections that I've added. So under computer literacy, I want to start seeing what type of content is out there. And even though we prefer writing original content, there's a lot of times that we actually quote and reference specific articles out there. Now, if I look at this computer literacy, so the ability to use computers and related technology efficiently with a range of skills covering levels from elementary use to programming and advanced problem solving. That's definitely something I want to use as is in my article. Why rewrite it if it's been said that well? Now, when I select that text, you'll see that it brings up a little pop-up box that says add or add and cite. I'm going to select add and cite, and I'll see tell you in a moment what that actually does further. Now, anyone who's ever built Bibliography knows how painful this is. I think it's even more painful than pulling your teeth without getting some meds beforehand. So Bibliography is painful because you have to cite and say exactly which page, who the author was, etc. But now, because I said add and cite, you'll see that at the bottom, it's actually automatically built the Bibliography for me. That is incredible, people. This definitely is something that I think can save so much time. The fact that I can add topics to my index, and then of course that it builds the Bibliography automatically. What a big, incredible win. Thanks, Microsoft, for making my life so much easier.